more glutes and more hamstrings into the step up. In this video, I'm going to show you how to do a mid-shin side step up. That's a higher side step up. Now, make sure you stick around right to the end because I'm going to teach you why this is so different to a side step up and a critical step towards having a really good squat. All that and more coming up.
The gym that teaches people how to move instead of just exercise, because we believe that health is about performance, not just body image.
Hi, in case we haven't met, my name's Rad Burmeister, co-founder and co-creator of the Foundation Movement System and Unity Gym, where health is measured by the way you perform and feel, not just by the way you look, and where we teach you how to nourish and move instead of diet and exercise. So now we're on to the mid-shin height side step up. So you can look for Richard, that step is roughly at the middle of his shin. That's very important. We're out of the foundations, conditioning and remedial phase, so we're not doing low step ups anymore. This is a mid-shin height step up. Do a few reps, Richie. Yeah. Okay, now what you're going to notice here is the big difference is that he leans forward on this. That is totally okay. So just keep going, Richie, as I talk. Okay, from the hips to where the barbell's sitting is going to be in a straight line. The barbell is in exactly the same position on the shoulders as it is for the high barbell back squat that we demonstrated at the start of this video. Okay, and all he's doing is allowing his body to lean forward a bit, and what that does is it brings more glutes and more hamstrings into the step up. So it's not any more quad dominant, it's starting to be more glute dominant, which brings it more in alignment with an actual squat, or more so for this is a pistol squat. We're going to be working towards doing a pistol squat, which is a single leg squat with these progressions. So this is, just taking it that one step closer to doing a pistol squat. So the last thing that I want to point out is here, watch how Richard really loads up the front leg and he drives through the front leg. Take a look at this foot when he does a couple of reps. That foot is not pushing off the ground. He's not, do it the wrong way, Richard. Watch this. See that? That is going to help you. Even if you feel that you're not using that back leg, if you push, if you go like that, you will be using it. So do it the right way now. When he lifts his toes up and it's just the heel touching the ground, he's overemphasizing a little bit, but the point is that this leg is doing all the work. And that is the mid-shin height side step up. Thank you so much for watching our video. If you liked this video and you want to see more of them, consider subscribing to our channel and make sure you click that notification bell, because we do videos every single week. We upload them on Monday in Australia, which is Sunday over in Europe or in America. And if you want us to make any videos specifically for you, if you leave a comment to this video with anything that you'd like us to teach you, we will make a video of it, a tutorial, so that you can learn all about whatever it is that you want to know. And if you're not already a part of our online coaching program, we're actually offering 1 month free access to our FMS online coaching. That's an amazing offer for you, no strings attached. You can cancel it whenever you want. All you got to do is read the instructions in the description to this video and get yourself signed up to your first month free. And I will see you in our next video. So really emphasize that you're leaning forward. Okay, so the last thing that I want to